Today on The Stay-at-Home Chef, I'm showing you how to make easy homemade lemon curd. Lemon curd is so delicious. You can enjoy it on all sorts of different baked goods and pastries, and it's really easy to make. We'll start by getting our ingredients ready. You'll need 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1 tablespoon of lemon zest, 3/4 of a cup of freshly squeezed lemon juice, 9 egg yolks, so you'll want to separate out 9 eggs. So you end up with 9 egg yolks in a bowl that's a little bit larger than it appears that you need. Then last, you'll need to slice 3/4 of a cup of butter. That covers all of our ingredients, but you'll also need either 1 pint-sized mason jar or 2 half-pint sizes. I like to go with the 2 smaller jars so I can divide it up, but either will work. Grab a whisk and a saucepan and let's head on over to the stove. In a saucepan over medium heat, combine 1 cup of sugar with 3/4 of a cup of lemon juice and 1 tablespoon of lemon zest. We're gonna stir this until the mixture is hot, but not yet coming to a simmer. Grab your egg yolks and set them to a side. We're gonna get a little setup here so we can temper the eggs before adding them into the rest of the mixture. I'm gonna whisk the egg yolks so that they are first all combined. Then I'll take some of the hot lemon mixture and pour just a little bit in and whisk this. You wanna do this all really fast. Maybe we'll add in just a little bit more. Whisk this all in, which tempers the eggs so that then you can add the egg yolks back in and you won't end up with scrambled eggs. Then we're gonna add in all of that butter and whisk this until the butter is just melted in, staying over that medium heat. After about 2 minutes, you'll remove it from the heat and pour the mixture through a fine mesh sieve into your little jars. The mixture will thicken as it cools. And that's it, you have a pint of lemon curd. It's a good idea to pour it through that mesh sieve pretty fast because this thickens up super fast as it cools. So you wanna make sure you get it through that sieve to catch any little clumps that may have occurred when you tempered the eggs. Lemon curd has a lot of different uses. You can use it as a filling for cakes or donuts. You can spread it on toast or muffins. Really, it can be used anywhere that could benefit from a little lemon zing, and I've got a lot of different options here. You could even use it to fill little tartlets. No matter what you choose, lemon curd sure is delicious. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description. Be sure to subscribe, like, and follow, and check out the rest of my videos where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. See you later.